Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're still at the Pawnall skate park in Vermont, and we're getting ready to leave in a minute here. We got our clips, we did what we wanted, had our fun, but I was noticing this on the way out. This skate park and park has a bike repair station. There's a built-in bike pump right there, and then tethered on a cable to the inside there, Allen wrenches, some regular wrenches. I've never seen one of these before. Bike repair station. This is nifty, I'm not gonna lie. I've never seen nothing like this before. Need these in New York. Alright everybody, thank you for watching.